Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect, and I'll be your mirror image. We'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, the hands onto the hips. Then begin to rotate your pelvis in a circle, just doing small circles at first. If it feels okay, you can make them a little bigger, but we're just loosening up the joints. So we'll do about 5 circles one way and then reverse direction, and then 5 the other. So this one's really good to loosen up the whole lower body. So if you're short on time, this one's great to do. And then for the upper body, we'll do the shoulders. So lift the shoulders up towards the ears, let them fall back and down. Big circular motions with the shoulders. This will help release tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. The shoulder rolls. One more time. And the arms down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, gathering in the energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Just feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. Then the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. It's like your arms are resting on a wave in the ocean. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Like a good morning stretch, opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? So we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. This time the fingertips point up, gently rotate towards one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Gentle rotation, breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead, then they spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Spiraling the energy throughout the body, increasing the blood flow and circulation. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming up and over, fingertips point down, coming down the center, the hands spiral out and away. The downward spirals, softening down towards the earth. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face each other in front of the heart as you soften down. Then as you rise up, the hands expand. And as you soften down, we'll squeeze the moon. Breathing in, open, breathing out. And then this time, as you squeeze the moon, you can contract the abdominals, building core stability. Coming down. One more time, squeezing the moon. Breathing in, breathing out. And then from here, the arms float out all the way down to the sides. Then reverse direction, circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Shift all your weight over to one side. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in. Step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shift back as you draw the hands in, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands keep going all the way up and over. They come down in front of the body, then scooping under, gathering in the energy, gather in the breath. Let it wash through the body. The Tai Chi circling. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time. Tai Chi circling. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight and step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? All right, one more time, pushing the mountain. Then this time the hands float up, coming up and over, palms face towards the body as they come down, then scooping under, gathering in the breath and the energy, and get washed through the body. Tai Chi circling, breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then the top hand goes behind the back just for now. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. Circle it around again, toss away, as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon, bottom hand floats up, the other hand pushes down. Circle around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, I'm happy. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, parting the wild horse's mane. This time, as you catch the moon, we'll make 2 loose fists. Then spin the moon, the bottom fist comes up overhead, the other fist by the waist as you gently turn. Coming back to center, catch the moon. Spin the moon, 2 loose fists, and then look to the side or gently behind. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, riding the tiger. And then parting the wild horse's mane one last time to this corner. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Top hand goes away just for now. Step out to the corner. Bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos, the calm within the storm. All right, one more time, parting the wild horse's mane. This time, catch the moon, and then make 2 loose fists, spin the moon, bottom fist overhead, the other one by the waist as you gently turn. Coming back to center, catch the moon, spin the moon, look to the side or gently behind. Breathing in, breathing out, or take as many breaths as you need. All right, one more time, ride the tiger. And then parting the wild horse's mane one last time. Toss it away, and then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down, drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions. They float across like clouds in the sky. The hands switch again. Wave hands like clouds. Softening the shoulders and neck. It's only using what you need. Scanning the body and just letting go. Any tension, any stress. One more time, wave hands like clouds. This time the top hand makes a hook. The bottom hand comes up and then the bottom hand floats across, palm turns up. Circle it around again. We call this single whip. The hand floats across, palm turns out. And then this time, if you like, you can step in as the hand comes up and then step out as the hand floats across. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, Wave hands like clouds. Take your time stepping in, drift across. Letting go and breathing. All right, this time the top hand makes a hook. Bottom hand comes up, floats across, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. And you can keep going just like that, or this time you can step in as the hand comes up, and then step out as it floats across. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Taking your time, stepping in, drifting across. Like a moving meditation, just tuning into the body, feeling the sensations. Moving like nature with effortless ease. All right, one more time, wave hands like clouds. And then both arms float down, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. Bottom hand drops down, toss away. The hand waves in towards the heart and then pushes forward, right towards me. Other side, toss away, the hand waves in and then moves forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind. And you can lean into it if you like. Breathing in, breathing out. Shifting the weight, feeling the flow. One more time, repulse monkey. Creating focus and clarity. And then both arms drift over to the side. They float down, then they brush out to the corner, circling all the way around and then out to the other corner, making a figure 8 right in front of the body. Polishing the table, as if your hands are gliding on a nice smooth surface, making it shine. Gentle rotation. One more time, polishing the table. And then circle the arms all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open, then the hands come together in front of the heart in prayer position. As you breathe in, the arms arc out to the sides. As you breathe out, the hands come together in front of the heart. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, the heart opening breath. Opening the shoulders and chest. Clearing out old, stuck energy, making room for the new. One more time, the heart opening breath. Breathing in. Breathing out. And the hands float down, they drift out to the side, spreading your wings. The arms float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time, making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. And then stick around for a few more moments for your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Breath and Energy. I feel the breath and begin to sway, the perfect start to every day. Gathering energy from above and below, mindful movement, peaceful and slow. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch your flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.